Demystifying Demo Submission, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the music and creative industries: demo submission. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a creative professional, or just curious about this term, this video is for you. Let's dive in and demystify what demo submission really means. Demo stands for demonstration, and it usually refers to a sample recording of your music or work. Submission means presenting or sending this demo to someone, typically in the music industry, like a record label, a music producer, or a radio station. So, demo submission is the process of sending your music demo to these industry professionals for consideration. It's a crucial step for artists looking to get signed or have their work featured. For any aspiring artist, demo submission is the gateway to opportunities. It's how you get your music heard by the right people. A good demo can open doors to recording contracts, collaborations, and even live performances. It's your musical CV, showcasing your talent and style to those who can help launch or advance your career. Preparing a demo submission involves a few key steps. 1. Create your demo. Your demo should represent your best work. Ensure high-quality recording and pick tracks that highlight your unique style. 2. Research. Find labels or professionals that align with your music genre. 3. Follow guidelines. Most labels have specific guidelines for submissions. Adhere to these to increase your chances of being heard. 4. Personalize your approach. Include a brief, personalized message explaining who you are and what your music represents. Do's. Do ensure high-quality recording. Do research the person or company you are submitting to. Do be concise and professional in your communication. Don'ts. Don't send a mass email to multiple labels. Don't give up if you don't get an immediate response. Don't forget to follow up politely after a reasonable amount of time. Demo submission is a pivotal step for any artist looking to break into the music industry. Remember, it's about showcasing your talent in the best possible way and reaching the right people who can help elevate your career. Good luck, and may your demo submission open new doors for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.